Hi friends, I'm Sai Aslesh and this is video number 2 and in this video we are about to draw a CFL bulb. Let's begin with the generative shape design. Start up with a point at the center of the compass, following with a cylinder in the surface toolbox. Select a point, direction should be Z-axis, radius 16 mm, length 10 mm in any one of the directions. I guess that will be right. Yeah, exactly. So next, fill the top surface, the top of the cylinder we have drawn. Okay. Now let's sketch in the YZ plane, that is the front view. Project the two edges of the cylinder. Begin with a polyline. Better be confirmed that all the curves and the lines are tangent to each other. All the lines and the curve should be tangent to each other. Now let's begin with the constraints, the line length, radius of each curve, and the tip point to the top projections, and this end line with the vertical axis. That will be enough. Okay. Up. Starting with the internal one, 1 mm, 15 mm, radius 10, distance also 10, and the total length is 30 mm, 30. Yeah, and better confirm that both the projections should be construction lines. Then in the same place where we took the cylinder, we find an option called revolve. It revolves the surface. So the sketch has already been selected. The revolution axis is an axis. Angle should be 360 degrees, a complete circle. Well, now you can hide the sketch if you want to clear the screen. Okay, seems better. Select the upper surface, sketch. No, no, no. Okay. Draw a circle on the horizontal axis. Constraints, the diameter of it and the distance of the center from the vertical axis. Distance from the vertical axis should be 10 mm and the diameter should be 8 mm. That is radius 4. Yeah. Select the same surface and offset a plane from this of 3 mm towards the top one. It should be upward from the surface. Now select the plane which we have created now. Sketch. Another circle on the same horizontal axis. Constraints. Diameter, and this circle should be concentric to this one, concentricity, and the diameter of this will be 6 mm. Yeah, and a multi-section surface. Yeah, multi-section surface. Select the two circles which we have drawn. Okay, and now we need symmetry. So type the command symmetry. Okay, element this one, reference element z axis. Okay, we'll get a similar one over here. Okay, now fill the top surface, fill area. Okay, and no, before that you will be needing, let's hide this thing. Yeah, okay, before that, trim. Trim Okay, elements to remove this one. No. Standard. Trimming element this one and this from there. Preview. So you will find that this part of the element will not be shown. Well, that's the exact thing we need. It should be clean. And again, repeat the same trim command. Select this. No. Alright, symmetry 1 from this surface. And it will be a hollow one in here. Oops, gone wrong, I guess. Okay, let's repeat again. Trim, select the symmetry object and the surface. Okay, you see it gone hollow. You can find two holes in here, right? Now again, show the fill area. Yeah, and fill this part also, the top surface of the symmetric object. Hide sketch 1 and sketch 2. Okay, so we need points on this surface, the surface. Okay, distance should be 0, it should be exactly in the center. Similarly on this surface, in 0, the center of the surface. And then reference line should be in point and direction. Point, this one, direction, z axis as normal. Length of 5 should be enough. We are drawing this one to allow helix to be drawn. Yes, this gone wrong, I guess. Let's repeat it. Line already in point and direction. Select the point, direction, z axis. Starting point should be from 0 and ending point up to 5. Review. Okay. Another same line, identical to that one. Point, direction, z axis. Starting point, ending point. Okay. Now let's go with helix. Drawing of an helix. Starting point. Starting point should be the end of the line we have drawn. Axis, commonly z axis. Pitch. In this we are taking a pitch of 12, height of 25. And mind it should be clockwise. I guess that will be enough. Yeah. Repeat the same thing on this part. Another line, right? Z axis, pitch 12, height 25, clockwise. Yeah. To join the both helix, we use a command called connect. Right? Connect. It connects two helix curves. Okay, two helix curves. First one this point and this point. And this should not be a tangency, it should be a curvature. Tangency, nah. Curvature and curvature. Yes, it should work by now. Nah, it gone wrong somewhere. Let's repeat it. Corner, this point and this point should come like curvature, tangency. Yeah, by reversing the direction, the problem will be solved, right? And okay, to make a curve between the line and the helix curve, we use corner command. Corner command, we use 3D corner. element 1 and element 2. Right, trim element 1, trim element 2, preview. Okay, yeah, perfect. And again corner, the same one, this one, and another line. Okay. Now join all the surfaces which we have drawn. Join over here. Yeah, the this one, the helix, another helix. Yeah, all the three. Okay. Now this full will be a one thing. Now next we go to sweep. In this we select the third one, that is uh, no, no, we get this third one and select center and radius. Center curve should be the joined one which we have done. Radius 2 mm. Just preview this. Wow, we got a CFL bulb outline sketch. Cool. Okay. Now I guess you can hide off all these things, all the stuff from here to here. Hide. Good. Right, another plane. It's also hide. Seems good. Let's finish the bottom one. Here, sweep. Second one, two limits with the reference curve. Guide 1, reference curve. Reference curve should be this. Angle 45 degrees. Angle 45 degrees length should be 1 mm. Okay, that will be good, right? We got a chamfer type projection at the bottom. And now fill area. Okay, and another cylinder from here. Let's try something crazy. X profile should be this one. Yeah. Direction either component. Reverse direction. Distance of not 20 mm, that will be too long. 10 mm. Yeah, that's okay. Good, right? Resembles a bulb. Now continue the same one which we have done earlier. Reference curve, guide 1 this one, reference curve this one, angle 45 degrees, length 1 mm. Preview that. Good. And again, oh no, low on battery. Fill area, this one. Okay, let me charge up. Okay, so here just we have to give up two knobs to connect it to the connector circuit. For that we need a point on the surface. Okay, let that be again a 0. Okay, so the point will be exactly on the surface of the cylinder. Now we need another cylinder. Point this one, and this time the direction should be in X direction. Radius 1 mm, length 1 mm on the either side. Preview. Okay. Before that, I would prefer to hide this thing, fill, to make it confirm that the projection is on the other side also. Uh, uh, no, it's not correct. Delete the cylinder. Let's retry that. Cylinder, point, Direction Y component. No, it should be X component. Let's repoint it on the surface. Direction X component 0. Okay. Now another cylinder, point X component. Should work out, right? Okay, let that be. Now trim this thing. Trim this part. No, not the cylinder edge. Remove. We need the whole cylinder from this. So the inner part of the cylinder will go missing. Now come again with the same sweep type. This one, and the reference curve will be this. 45 degrees preview. Nah, something went wrong. Preview. Now the guide curve is different. Guide curve should be this. Preview. The length is too long, 0.5 mm. Okay, now fill up this area. Yeah, good. Now join the cylinder. Nah, the cylinder is already joined with the cylinder. Okay, let that be. Now we need to symmetry, right? So give up the symmetry command. Symmetry elements. Reference one should be Z axis. Yeah. Okay. So this one and this one. Command symmetry. Reference element is Z axis, and that will be over there. Exactly. Wow, cool. Now hide the point. And again show off the fill one, which filling surface which we have done earlier. I guess I am almost done before completing this thing, right? I need another corner, 3D corner of this element. 3D corner, I don't think so. It's a 3D corner. It should be a fillet. This one, supporting should be this curve, radius 5 mm, preview. Oh, yes, no. Support one this, support two this, radius preview should be supported here. Boundary shift, edge fillet. Yeah. Select the edge objects to be filleted. This part has been filled up, right? Well, I guess that's not even needed, right? This one should be done. Actually, it's not supporting, don't know why. Okay, let's go up with the part design one now. Let's pick up all of the surfaces which we have done. All the directions should be inside. So first offset should be about, okay, 1 mm will be enough. Okay, so next one should be this. This should be 3 mm. Okay, next this. Okay, this. Leave in reverse direction. Okay. Okay. Tick all of the surfaces which we have done. I guess that will be enough. Okay. Hide, hide, hide. Hide all the surfaces which we have drawn. Okay, that will be good, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. So finally we have completed the CFL bulb, right? Hide all the planes if you need. Okay, we are done. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it if like, press the like button and subscribe. Thank you.